Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account on your Android or iOS device. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open your Facebook account. Now once you're inside your Facebook account, just simply click on the three lines at the top right. Now over here, just simply click on the gear icon at the top. In this option you have to open the account center, so open that. Now over here, just simply select personal details. Now over here you will find the option of account ownership and control. Click on that. Now over here you will have two options. The option that you have to choose is deactivation or deletion. Click on that. Now choose the account that you want to delete. So in this case I'm going to delete my Facebook account, so choose that. Now over here you will have two options, deactivate your account or delete your account. So choose delete your account at the bottom. Now click on continue. Now over here it will ask you for some reason why exactly you are deleting your account. Just simply choose any reason over here, then click on continue. After that they will again ask you some questions. All you have to do is just simply click on continue. Now over here you will have a lot of options, like you can deactivate your account, you can check your activity log, you can download information and transfer it to some other place like Google Drive or Dropbox, and still want to delete your account, just scroll down to the very bottom and click on continue over here. Now all you have to do is just simply enter your password. Now once you enter your password you will find a final page where you can delete your Facebook account. All you have to do is just simply click on delete account and your Facebook account will be deleted. But after that you will have a 30-day time period where you can still get your account back. So all you have to do is just simply log back in and you will have your account back. To complete the process, just simply click on delete account and your Facebook account will be deleted. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.